join me as I take on the challenge of folding an origami heart in just 5 minutes. Can I do it? Let's find out. Folding an origami heart is a great way to show someone you care, and it's a lot easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to fold a beautiful origami heart in just 5 minutes, so you can impress your friends and family with your new skill. I know what you're thinking, origami is intimidating, it takes too long, and it's only for super patient people. But trust me, that's just not true. With a little practice, anyone can master the art of origami, and it's actually really relaxing. The key is to start with simple designs and gradually move on to more complex ones. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Lots of people get discouraged because they think they're not good at origami, or they don't have the patience for it. But the truth is, origami is all about having fun and being creative. It's okay if your first few attempts don't turn out perfectly, it's all part of the process. So, if you're ready to give origami a try and create a beautiful heart in just 5 minutes, then let's get started. First, take a square piece of paper and fold it in half diagonally to create a triangle. Unfold the paper, and then fold the top right and left corners down so they meet at the middle crease. Next, fold the bottom right and left corners up so they meet at the middle crease again. Now, let's move on to the next step. Fold the top half of the triangle down along the middle crease, and then fold the bottom half up so it meets the top half. You should start to see the heart shape taking form. Next, fold the 2 top layers of the paper back, and then tuck the bottom layer up to create the heart's point. You're almost done. Finally, take the 2 top points of the heart and fold them inwards so they meet at the middle crease. And that's it. You've just folded a beautiful origami heart in just 5 minutes. Isn't it satisfying to create something so beautiful with your own hands? Take a closer look at your origami heart, isn't it lovely? You can use it to decorate your room, give it as a gift, or just keep it as a reminder that you can do anything you set your mind to. So, to recap, all we did was fold the paper in half, create the heart shape, and add the final details. It's really not that hard, and with a little practice, you'll be folding origami hearts like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope you had fun making this origami heart with me. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you want to learn more origami designs, be sure to check out my other tutorials on this channel.